The town of Teliamura is witnessing a monumental spiritual homecoming as it hosts Baba Gauriya Puja, the supreme festival of the Jamatia community, following a staggering hiatus of 435 years. The 7-day festival is being held at Garjan Tali in Hodre village under the Kalyanpur subdivision. The festival was formally inaugurated on Monday evening by the Governor of Tripura, Indra Sena Reddy Nallu. According to ancient customs, the deity crafted from bamboo and cloth was ceremonially burnt and installed in the temple by the chief priest early this morning.
We want education that keeps you rooted, progress, and remembers your ancestors, and empowerment that respects your okra and your Naikoiting song. Baba Gauriya blesses those who work hard and remain united. So I urge you to preserve your language, your songs, your dances, and your sacred rituals. Festivals like Gauriya Puja are not just events, they are your resistance against cultural erosion. Let us remember that our unity in diversity is our greatest strength. May Baba Gauriya bless every home with prosperity, every field with the beautiful harvest, every child with the pride of their heritage, and the entire state of Tripura with peace and progress. With these words, I thank Jamatia Hoda for inviting me to this sacred ground.
Key dignitaries present were Kalyani Saharoy, Chief Whip of the Tripura Legislative Assembly, Rajat Man, District Magistrate, Jagadishwar Reddy, SP, senior leaders of the Jamatia Hoda, including former Principal Secretary Data Mohan Jamatia and Hoda Okra Bikra Kumar Jamatia.
435 কিপি কথার 213 1435 ত্রিপুরাব্দ ঘরজতলি কামে
Reported by Hiran Boy from Teliamura, Chini Khora.